Hi guys, this is Ashish. So today I'm going to demonstrate you thermoelectric effect with this thermoelectric cooler. It's a Peltier module. So if I apply 5 volt DC current with 1 ampere of as current rating and apply it to this thermoelectric cooler, you will notice that there will be a difference in temperature in the upper and lower plate. So as I can feel, the upper plate is getting cold and the lower plate is getting hot. So I can show you the difference in temperature, the reading with my infrared thermometer. So if I take the reading of the top plate of this thermoelectric cooler, it gives us a reading of somewhere around 15.3 degrees Celsius. And if I take the reading of the lower half of this thermoelectric cooler, it gives us a reading of somewhere around 47.9 degrees Celsius. You see that? 47.9 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so now let's try the reverse effect of this thermoelectric cooler or this Peltier module. So if I heat up this bottom plate of this thermoelectric cooler and apply ice on these on the top plate of this thermoelectric cooler, it should produce a current in these terminals. So for heating up the one side of this thermoelectric cooler, I need to switch on this iron. It's already quite warm, but still I just switch on this iron so that it gets heated up a bit. Okay, I can feel that the iron is now quite hot, so I'll just switch off the power supply for this iron. Okay, so now let's check the reading of this iron, how hot it is. So it says 155 degrees Celsius. So we'll wait till it reaches down to a temperature of somewhere around 140 degrees Celsius. Till the time being, we'll just connect this LED to these thermoelectric cooler effect terminals. Okay, so the LED is all connected to this thermoelectric cooler. I'll take the temperature reading of this iron again. Okay, so it says 150 degrees Celsius. So we'll just wait for like somewhere around 30 seconds more, and then go ahead with this experiment of reverse current that will be produced by this thermoelectric cooler. Okay, so let's now take the reading again. Okay, it says 135 degrees Celsius. So it's good to go ahead. So I'll put this bottom plate on top of this hot iron plate and take the ice cube which I got from the So I'll take the ice cube which I got from the refrigerator and apply it on the top plate. So as I apply the ice on the top plate, the bottom plate is getting heated up and the top plate is getting cooled down, and see the LED getting light up. So this confirms that the reverse effect is also true for this thermoelectric cooler, that if you heat the bottom plate, and cool the top plate, it will produce a current and it will light up this LED. You see that? How cool is that? Okay, I'll just take out this thermoelectric cooler from the iron. So it confirms that this thermoelectric cooler, when applied current, when we apply current to this thermoelectric cooler, it will the one side of the plate will get heated up and the other side of the plate will cool down. And the reverse effect is also true. That is, when we heat the bottom plate and cool the top plate by ice, it will produce the current in these terminals and will light up this LED. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and do support me on Patreon.